Dr. Preeti Sharma from India Meteorological Department. Welcome to today's daily weather briefing. Now coming to the rainfall and fog observed during last 24 hours. Heavy to very heavy rainfall with extremely heavy rainfall has been recorded at isolated places over coastal Karnataka and North Kerala. Heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over North Interior Tamil Nadu and heavy rainfall at isolated places over South Interior Karnataka, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam Rayalaseema. Then during this hour, significant rainfall was observed over Mulki, over coastal Karnataka at 26 cm and over Kerala and Mahe over Edamakal and Hostel, that is 20 cm. Now coming to the fog observation, dense fog with visibility 50 to 200 meter reported in isolated pockets of Uttar Pradesh and Meghalaya, and over East Uttar Pradesh, that is over Varanasi, our visibility was 100 meter. Over West Uttar Pradesh in Bareilly, visibility was 50 meter, and over Meghalaya, Barapani, visibility was 100 meter. Now coming to the highlights of this presentation. Well-marked low pressure area, that is remnant of cyclonic storm Bengal lying over coastal Karnataka and adjoining East Central Arabian Sea, and associated with this low pressure area, the heavy to very heavy rainfall very likely to occur over isolated places over North Kerala and coastal Karnataka today and decrease thereafter. A fresh western disturbance is likely to affect western Himalaya region from night of 7 December and adjoining plains of northwest India from 8 December. Now coming to the today's synoptic condition, the well-marked low pressure area over coastal Karnataka and adjoining East Central Arabian Sea persisted over the same region at 8:30 hours morning today, and it is likely to move west-northwestward towards East Central Arabian Sea during next 2 days. It is likely to maintain the intensity for next 24 hours and then weaken gradually thereafter. The cyclonic circulation over East Bangladesh and neighborhood now lies over East Bangladesh and adjoining South Assam at 1.5 km above mean sea level. Now the cyclonic circulation over northeast Assam has merged with this cyclonic circulation. Now the jet stream winds of the order of up to 120 knots at 12.6 km above mean sea level continue to prevail over North India. Then a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect western Himalaya region from 7 December night and adjoining plains of northwest India from 8 December. It is very likely to cause isolated to scattered light moderate rainfall or snowfall over the western Himalaya region during 7 to 9 December and over the adjoining plains of northwest India on 8th December. Now coming to the temperature during our last 24 hours, minimum temperature are in the range of 10 to 15 degree in the plain of northwest India, 15 to 20 degree over central India, Gujarat state, Maharashtra and eastern parts of India. Minimum temperature are markedly above normal, 5 degree or more at most places over Telangana and Odisha and parts of Punjab, Maharashtra. And it is appreciably above normal 3 to 5 degree at a few places over Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Karaikal, at isolated places over Gangetic, West Bengal, Karnataka, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. And the minimum temperature was above 1 to 3 degree above normal at a few places over Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat state, and isolated places over Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh and Kerala, Mahe. Now the minimum temperature was below normal, that is 1 to 3 degree from below the normal at isolated places over Assam, Meghalaya, sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim, and it is near normal at rest parts of the country. Now today the lowest minimum temperature was observed over the plains was at Bhatinda, that is 8 degrees centigrade. Now coming to the weather warning for next 7 days. Only for day 1, that is for 3rd December, heavy rainfall warning, very heavy rainfall warning is given for Kerala, and heavy rainfall warning is given for Lakshadweep, Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema, coastal Karnataka and South Interior Karnataka. And after that till 9th December, there is no as such warning is given for weather. And for further updates regarding the weather, kindly follow our IMD channel and subscribe the social media platform. Thank you for watching this video. Dhanyawad.